Hello everyone, my name is Kayleigh from Sussex STEM, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a beach erosion model in your school or at home. So coastal erosion is a completely natural environmental effect that happens along all of our coastlines. It is the effect of waves hitting our beaches and dragging out the sand and pebbles further into the ocean. So eventually our beaches actually get smaller over time. And if we don't protect our beaches from this erosion, eventually it will hit the roads and damage buildings that are along our coastlines. Okay, so to build your beach erosion model, you're going to need a few things. First of all, you're going to need a space where if you spill any water, it's not going to be a problem. You're going to need a big deep tray, just like this. You'll need enough sand to fill up half of your tray. You're going to need some pebbles as well. I just have some small ones here. You'll need some cardstock, just like this, an empty bottle, and also some water. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to take your tray and pour sand into half of the tray, but build it up as a slope. Okay, so there we have our slope. So the next thing you're going to want to do is to get your pebbles and just scatter them over the beach randomly. So the next thing to do is to add water to the empty half of the tray to be our ocean. Okay, so we've added water so that it reaches about here on our beach. We still want some sand to be above the waterline, just like a real beach. So now that we've created our coastal erosion model, the next thing to do is to create waves that are going to erode the beach that we've created. So that's what the bottle here is for. What you want to do is place the bottle just in the water, just like this, and move it up and down. As you move it up and down, you create waves that will hit the beach. Okay, so that was the basics of how to set up your beach erosion model. The next thing to do is to actually use it to research and answer some questions. So on your activity sheet, you're going to have some questions and you'll need to use your model and do experiments and research to find the answers. And as well as looking into the actual erosion of beaches, we also want to maybe think about how we can protect our beaches from erosion. So that's what you can use the cardstock for. You can maybe think of some ideas about how to protect the sand from being hit by the waves maybe. You can also use the pebbles to maybe create a seawall. So have a little think about that. Have fun. I hope you enjoy this activity and we'll see you later.